Today I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Google Sheets. This is a great way to brand your spreadsheets, protect your data, or add visual elements that make your documents look more professional. Let's get started with this simple process. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to modify. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your Workspace tools and files. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent documents, spreadsheets, and other files. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add the watermark. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. This will launch the spreadsheet in a new window, ready for editing. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see various options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on Insert from this menu. This opens up a drop-down with several choices for adding different elements to your spreadsheet. From this drop-down, locate and click on Image. You'll notice another submenu appears with different image insertion options. In this submenu, click on Insert Image over Cells. This option is important because it allows you to place the watermark anywhere on your spreadsheet without disrupting the cell structure or data underneath. It essentially layers the image on top of your existing content, which is exactly what we need for a watermark. A dialog box will now appear with several options for sourcing your image. Click on Browse to search for the watermark file on your computer. This opens your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the watermark image you've prepared. Make sure your watermark is saved in a compatible format like PNG or JPEG for best results. Once you've found your watermark file, select it by clicking on it, then confirm your selection. The watermark will now appear on your spreadsheet. You'll notice it's placed with selection handles around it, indicating that you can move and resize it. Now comes the fun part. You can drag the watermark to position it exactly where you want it on your spreadsheet. Simply click and hold on the image, then move your cursor to drag it around. You can place it in the center for a bold statement, or perhaps in a corner for a subtle branding effect. The choice is yours based on your specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark to your Google Sheets document, giving it a professional touch and helping protect or brand your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.